all present here. I'm Nandiniti. I'm working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see a topic in data analytics on what is a regression. First, we are seeing a recap that what is regression models. It has some data to find the relationship between a predictive future, which we must be analyzing. Before going to regressive objective, what is in regression? It is a statistics and a machine learning method which is used to understand a relationship with output and an input that we can say as with an dependent variable output and an independent variable input. The main purpose to go for regression is to find the prediction, estimation or example how changes in inputs variables affects the output. What is a regression? It is a technique that fits a mathematical model of data. For example, it is used for marketing, increases sales, then to intercept, to find the slopes, etc. So now we are going for an objective. So first one is explore linear regression. Next is develop a multiple regression model, assess goodness of it, implants the model using status models, apply the weight resampling technique, model non-linear relationship. In this, what we are going to empathize is a model gets regression when we have a hard grasping power. So that the person who need to say is S, but you will master have a concept of what is a linear multiple regression, goodness of it, and regression. So we have many types of regression. One is simple linear, then multilinear, polynomial regression, logistic regression, and other advanced types like Bayesian regression, nonlinear regression, etc. To empathize that, we are going for a regression model. In this regression model, he needs in simple words that how this regression statistics gets into a relationship between dependent variable and one or more independent variable. To know that, we are going to use a formula y is equal to b naught plus bx. So this y indicates the dependency of predicted value, b naught intercepts the x naught value, b1 slope value, x independent of input value. Next one is a regression model. In regression model, what and all we are seeing is what's the goodness of it in that how this model accuses or uh, uh, models. Why this regression model is used for prediction, explanation, forecasting, optimization, etc. Components of regression model means in which way it gets intercepted, value of output when all the inputs are 0, coefficient b1 and b2 values, shows the effect of each independent variables, error terms which represent the noise, randomness and unmeasured value. In this, we are going to ideate a thing that what are the possible solutions. That means how it gets scattered, how these variables affect the slider experiment, how this goodness of it is adapted for this regression model. Next is line guess game. So what is a line guess game is um, in an x and y axis, the slope line must be in a straight manner. That is a scattered or line guess game. This shows a scattered points with one center line. The student should guess draw the best fit line that reveals the actual regression line, why it fits into this model, what are the quick slopes, trends or fit the quality of this model. So assumption of linear regression is that to find the relationship in straight line, data points are in independent variables, normality residuals are normally distributed, no multicollinear independent variable should be highly correlate. These things are being used up. Next one is variable affect the slider experiment. That means uh, the activity shows that how changing slopes and intercept affect the regression line in a real time. That means a straight line with scattered points are there, but this axis may differ for that particular students. So goodness of it means, so there are many uh, uh, challenges or many solutions we can predict, but this goodness of it tells how this regression perfectly or actually matches the data, how closure points we get here, what are the far from the line, this and all. So key measure is R square. That means one perfect fit, second one very good fit, or third one zero means it is a poor closure. So how we are analyzing this regression model with statistical things. Weight regression, then non-linear relationship. So does not process a constraint or proportional changes. It's done here. So regression model techniques, how it is in a linear or in a 3D manner, that and all we are seeing here. So next is a mind map to show this. Thank you so much for the video.